Once upon a time, in a big jungle, lived a mighty lion. He was strong and brave, and all the animals were scared of him. One sunny day, the lion was walking near a river when he saw a little cat drinking water. The lion roared, "What are you doing in my jungle?" The cat looked up and smiled. "I may be small, but I'm not afraid," said the cat. The lion laughed. "You, not afraid of me?" The clever cat replied, "No, because I use my brain, not just strength." The lion was curious. "Show me how you are clever." The cat pointed to a trap nearby and said, "Look, there's food under that tree, but it's a trap." The lion ran to get the food and got stuck. He roared and tried to escape. The cat said, "You see, brains are sometimes better than strength." The lion felt sad but thanked the cat. "You are right, little one. I was too proud." From that day, the lion and the cat became good friends. The lion learned to think before acting, and the cat became the smartest animal in the jungle. Moral: always use your brain, not just your power.